Module 4, DOT cylinders. Most propane cylinders in service today are manufactured according to Department of Transportation specifications and are commonly referred to as DOT cylinders. Small portable cylinders are filled at various locations and are used with hand torches, plumber's pots, gas lanterns, camp stoves, barbecue grills, and on many recreational vehicles. Larger cylinders are filled typically at a propane facility or plant and delivered to industrial, commercial, or residential customers. Cylinder bodies are most commonly made from either aluminum or some type of alloy steel and consist of either 2 or 3 pieces. Every aluminum or steel cylinder has a foot ring, a wide metal band that is welded or brazed to the bottom or non-service end of the cylinder. It is used to protect the bottom of the cylinder body from corrosion or other damage and also functions as a support stand or base. Openings for valves and fittings are located in the service end of the cylinder, with threaded fittings welded to the opening. The number of openings depends on how the cylinder will be used. Portable and exchange cylinders rarely have more than one fitting that is threaded to a 3/4 inch female National Pipe Thread (NPT) fitting and raised above the surface. As a result, the fitting is often called the neck of the cylinder. A combination service valve and pressure relief valve is installed in the fitting. Vertical cylinders with 4 to 40-pound propane capacity used in vapor service must be fitted with an overfilling prevention device, OPD. OPD cylinder valves are distinctively marked and equipped with a unique hand wheel in the shape of a modified triangle. The OPD marking is molded into the hand wheel and the valve body to ease identification. OPDs should not be treated as the primary means of preventing overfilling. It is still the dispenser operator's responsibility to close the hose end valve when the proper filling level has been reached. 1-pound cylinders are not required to be fitted with an OPD. To protect the cylinder valves, a plastic cap is screwed over the valve. Markings are required by DOT and are the ID card for the cylinder. Markings must be legible and clearly and permanently marked on the collar or cylinder body. The markings include information for selecting cylinder valves, the specification design code, cylinder tear weight, TW, water capacity, WC in pounds, and the manufacturer name and test or requalification date. Cylinder specification markings consist of 2 basic parts, the design code and the service pressure. DOT 4BA 240 is one of several specifications for cylinders. The term 4BA indicates that the cylinder is a welded Series 4 alloy steel Series BA cylinder. The number 240 indicates the service pressure is 240 pounds per square inch gauge, PSIG. Cylinder size is marked by the amount of water it can hold in pounds. Propane capacity is 42% of WC. Portable cylinders usually range from 1 pound to 100 pounds propane capacity. TW is the weight of the cylinder when empty and includes the weight of the cylinder valves, but not the filling hose and nozzle. Cylinders with the same WC can have different TWs, so each cylinder should be treated individually. All refillable cylinders must be requalified at regular intervals. Requalification is not normally handled at dispenser locations and should be performed only by trained individuals whose facility is registered with the DOT. When reading requalification markings, a date without a letter indicates the next requalification must be within 12 years. The letter S following the date indicates the cylinder must be requalified 7 years after the marked date. The letter E following the date indicates that the requalification is required again within 5 years of the marked date. The most recent requalification date is marked on the cylinder. Cylinders that are out of qualification must not be refilled. Rather, they should be marked and set aside in a designated safe area. Never fill a cylinder without a date. Never fill a cylinder designed for a single use, aka disposable cylinders. Knowing about cylinder construction, components, and markings will assist you in safely refilling your customers' cylinders.